Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to completely stop Instagram ads. Okay, if you are a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content you are looking for. And if this is your first time watching this video or visiting our channel, please remember to subscribe and like the video so our channel grows exponentially. Okay, let's get started. Once you open your Instagram app, click on the profile picture to the right. Okay, now click on the three bars to the top. We normally call them the hamburger signs. Okay, now locate notifications, click on the arrow to the right, then scroll down, just scroll down, then you will see this place for from Instagram. Just click on it. Okay, now you will see this place for ads. There are two options, off and on. Currently yours will be on just like mine here, but if you want to stop ads, you must toggle it to off. By doing this, you will be able to stop all Instagram ads. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.